Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to transfer USDT from Binance to Trust Wallet. So if you also want to transfer USDT from Binance to Trust Wallet, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon your Trust Wallet application. After the authentication is completed, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Make sure you're logged into your account. Initially, you'll be in the home page. You can see several options over here. Send, receive, buy, sell and history. All you have to do is tap on the receive option that you can see at the second. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to receive. Simply tap on the search bar. Now type in USDT. Now here you'll be able to see the option for USDT. You can see several options over here. Here I'm going to tap on the USDT with Ethereum network. You can tap on any USDT of your choice. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to see the QR code. Also, you'll be able to see the wallet address. Copy the wallet address. All you have to do is tap on the copy option that you can see right over here. Now the wallet address has been copied. Now what you have to do is go to the Binance application. You can see over here Binance is opened. In order to transfer the USDT, first of all, your identity should be verified. If your identity verification is not completed, you'll not be able to do so. You can see over here my identity verification is not completed, so I'll not be able to do so. But I'll tell you what to do. Simply tap on the wallet icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you'll have to select the withdraw option. Then you'll have to choose the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. Choose USDT. Now you'll have to enter the Trust Wallet address. Simply paste the wallet address that were copied earlier. You'll also have to select the network. Select the same network that you had selected in the Trust Wallet. After that, enter the withdrawal amount. Now simply tap on the withdraw option that you'll be able to see on your screen. After that, you'll be led to another interface. Over there, all you have to do is tap on the confirm option. After that, you'll have to complete the verification. You'll be sent a code in your email. All you have to do is enter that code. After the verification is completed, you'll be able to transfer USDT from Binance to Trust Wallet. So that is how you transfer USDT from Binance to Trust Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.